Top 10. Best Snorkel Gear Packages. Vacation Activity. Tropical waters lead way to beautiful fish and colorful coral. Number 10. Seavenger Adult and Junior Diving. The mesh carrying bag, flexible snorkel, lightweight flippers to the compact mask. You can easily bring your snorkeling gear with you just about anywhere in the world. The mask included may carry a 2-window design, but the large lens allows you to have a panoramic view of the life buzzing underwater. Tempered glass lens. Short fin. Dry top snorkel. Number 9. Seal Buddy FIJI Panoramic, and a travel bag. This set comes in 2 different sizes and a variety of different colors to help you get a look that is uniquely yours. In addition to a lifetime of customer support, this product offers a 1-year full warranty. This is the best snorkel set package for traveling. Hypoallergenic. Dry snorkel. Fins are fully adjustable. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best snorkel gear packages or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. US Divers Adult Starbuck 2 Purge Water Sport Package. The expert quality is apparent in the snorkel mask, fins and snorkel that this package comes with. The mask in this set has a single window design that allows you an unobstructed view. A completely adjustable head strap fits easily to your body. Heavy-duty carrying case. Dry snorkel. Comfortably mouthpiece. Number 7. Phantom Aquatics Adult Speed. Look like an experienced snorkeler no matter your skill level. This package comes equipped with a high-end mask, snorkel, heavy-duty fins, and rounded off with a mesh carrying bag. This low-volume mask sits closer to your face, giving you less chunky feel. Powerful fins. Low-profile carrying bag. Compact design. Number 6. PROMATE Snorkeling Mask Fins. With a snorkel, mask, fins and a drawstring carrying bag, you are all set to have an unforgettable vacation. This snorkel mask has a single lens design that helps you to get the most from your experience. You will get a panoramic view of the underwater world. Single lens mask. Lightweight fins. 100% dry snorkel. Number 5. Seavenger Advanced Snorkeling. You will get top quality with this by including a top quality snorkel bag. The snorkel, mask and fins that come with this pack show the quality as well, making this the ultimate summer buy. The snorkel mask will last for many years to come. Large single window lens. Splash guard snorkel. High quality travel bag. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best snorkel gear packages or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. US Divers Panoramic View Luxe. This one. Everything about this set shows its high quality. Coming in an array of different colors ranging in size from a men's size 413, there is something for everyone. Enjoy the superior materials in this mask, snorkel and fin combo. Hypoallergenic materials. Heavy-duty backpack. The water propelling you forward. Number 3. US Divers Adult Cozumel. Equipment reviews are raving about the quality you get with this snorkel package. A wide range of colors and sizes makes this snorkel, mask and fin set the perfect choice for your vacation. A form-fitting splash skirt and splash top perfectly forms to your face for a comfortable, full pocket fins. Flexible nose. Splash-resistant snorkel. Number 2. Seavenger Adult and Junior Diving, for swimmers. Fitting children's size 10 to adult size 13, this snorkel set is ideal for families. Included you will get a snorkel, a mask, a carrying bag and fins. This snorkel mask features a single lens design giving you an unobstructed clear view. Short fins. Large single lens glass. Dry top snorkel. Number 1. Cressi Palau Mask Fin, something for the whole family. Included you will find a mask, a snorkel, fins and a mesh carrying bag. With everything at your fingertips, you are all set to have an unforgettable vacation. This makes these a perfect beginner snorkel gear set. Hypoallergenic mask and snorkel. Short blade fins for compact travel. Dry snorkel. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best snorkel gear packages or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.